Welcome to your evening yoga practice, combining yoga, somatic moves, and lymphatic flow gentle exercises. Place one hand on the forehead and the other on the back of the neck. Take one deep inhale and exhale with an audible sigh. 2 more like this on your own. And start gently massaging the right ear, pinching the ear from the top to the earlobe, running through the edge. And then tuck downwards at the earlobe. Other ear, pinch. Tuck downwards. Turn the head to the right and gently pinch the muscle sticking out on the left side of the neck, the sternomastoid muscle. Other side. And lightly stroke the right side of the neck downwards. Left side. And keep stroking downwards through the arms, the palms of the hands, the chest, the back, the belly, the lower belly, the buttocks, thighs, calves, all the way to the feet. And then massage the center of your chest in slow circles, acknowledging everything from today, the good and the bad, and validating your feelings from the day, accepting yourself and where you are at this present moment. Slide the right hand towards the left and take a hold of the front of the armpit. Left hand grabs the right shoulder and give yourself a big hug here. Take one deep breath. Then right hand on the chest, left hand on the belly, and rock side to side, focusing on the feeling of being held. Release. We'll lay on our back. Bend the knees hip width distance, planting the feet on the mat, and side bend your upper body to the right. Inhale And you can lift your arms overhead, grabbing opposite elbows. And exhaling, gently lower your knees towards the left, turning your head towards the right. Inhale up. A few more here with your own breath. Breathing through the stretch and feeling the tension melt. Other side, side bend to the left, and let the knees fall to the right. Hug your knees in and rock side to side. Now straighten the legs in front of you and tap the big toes against each other. Roll on the back and rock the hips side to side rhythmically. Breathing through the release that you feel all throughout the lower body, the lower back, and finally, we'll grab a pillow or a folded blanket. Open the knees wider than the hips and place it on the mat between the knees. Fold forward, supported child's pose. Relax the shoulders, head, and neck. Breathe through any remaining tension. Exhaling mindfully all the air out. This is where I'll leave you. Let me know in the comments if the practice helped you and how you are feeling before and after. I really appreciate hearing from you. I wish you a restful and blissful sleep. Until next time.